All right, today we're actually going to the car wash, doing a review of car wash mode, which came out a few weeks ago in an update, and I wanted to try it out in an actual car wash rather than just reviewing what it did. So here goes. Already cleaned the car inside. So here we are at the car wash. So you pull up the menu, you go to the service menu, and car wash mode is there. Let's see, car wash mode, enter car wash mode. Gotta press the brake to enable free roll. Getting right to the review of car wash mode, it is actually a great feature. So I did like the fact that you have everything right there in front of you. So right when you get to the car wash, you can just hit car wash mode, and it closes your mirrors down. It also turns off your auto wipers. It puts the AC on recirculate, and it puts a button up there on the screen that you can just touch for free roll. So that's really great. The only thing that I did not like about it is that you did have to press the brake actually to put it in free roll, which makes sense. However, it's just kind of not very intuitive because I have it on hold mode. So when it actually gets up there to the car wash, I just let off the accelerator and it actually stops and is in hold. So it's kind of like you're putting the brake on, but a lot of times I don't use the brake. So having it just go into hold mode is natural without even pressing the brake. So this, having to press the brake right there when you get on the conveyor belt to put it in free roll, was a little bit weird, but other than that, it worked great. Everything worked just as expected. And then to turn off free roll, it's really just like if you were going from neutral to drive. You got to press the brake and go back into drive. Honestly, that's one of the things that I really wish they would change. Allow you to just go back into drive without having to press the brake. But, you know, I guess I kind of understand why they don't do that. But that would be a good feature for them to add. So that's it. Just wanted to give a quick review of that car wash mode, because it is a cool feature now that I'm going to use every time I go to the car wash in the Tesla, and not have to think about all those different things. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.